Check out this 2006 Mazda 3i. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include 4-wheel disc brakes, adjustable steering wheel, bucket seats, child safety locks, engine immobilizer, front-wheel drive, pass-through rear seat, passenger airbag sensor and power outlet. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.